Hello everyone, this is Rashid Khan from Lakshmi Prasad Memorial Public School, Gula Bazar, Gorakhpur. Here the chapter number 13, Fun with the Magnet, in which we have discussed about magnets. What is magnet? What is the history of magnet? How it come from? What is this? The magnet is. And before moving to the magnet, here is history of magnet. How these magnets come into the existence. So in your daily life you can use or you can see different forms of a magnet, like in an electrical equipments, sound, mobiles, automobiles, refrigerator, the sound system, computer, all these things. In such all that cases, the magnets are being used. Here we have to say how these magnets come into the existence. The magnet is not a form that can be achieved very easily. It is a complex form and that can be derived or excreted from the other ores. It can be extracted by the ores, and the first magnet which is discovered called as lodestone. The first natural magnet discovered called as a lodestone. Why it come? Why it is called as a magnet? A Latin word that means magnetite. The word is derived from the magnetite or lodestone. It is also said to be lodestone. Magnetite or lodestone. It is the first natural magnet derived, and this can be based on its property derived by the natural occurring substance. It was found from the not a Latin, that is a Greek word. Greek word discovered the magnetite. These magnetites are discovered first time. On that behalf, there is a story about the shepherd named as a magnets, whose iron stick got stuck. Whose iron stick got stuck to the black rock while herding his sheep. So the iron rod gets stuck to the rock. That rock is is termed as magnet. Why? Because the shepherd name as a magnet. So on that particular shepherd name, this one is called as a magnet. And this black rod come to be known as lodestone, and lodestone also known as a magnetite, which is form of magnesium, iron and oxygen, Fe2O3. This one is known as a magnetite or lodestone. Fe3O4, sorry, Fe3O4. Fe3O4. This one is termed as magnetite or lodestone. And in this sequence, we will have to study about the magnet. What is actually magnet called? Magnet is something. It's a substance that properties of Magnet is the substance that has the property to attract the material or substance toward itself. The force of magnet exerted is called as a magnetic force. The force which is exerted by magnet is called as a magnetic force. How this magnetic force come into the existence? The other material which attracted by the magnets. For example, cobalt, nickel, that can be attracted towards the magnet. When it attracted towards the magnet, that means they are called as a magnetic substances. These are called as a magnetic substance. That means the material which got attracted towards the magnet are called as a magnetic substance. And the substance that do not attracted towards the magnet, that is called as non-magnetic substance. Non-magnetic substance. What are these material called? Wood, glass, timber, plastic, etc. These are all the kind of non-magnetic material. Why? Because this could not be attracted by the magnet. So that one is called as non-magnetic material. So this is the magnetic and non-magnetic materials. Magnets are occurring in the two forms. What are these? First is natural, next one is artificial or man-made. Man-made or artificial magnet. The natural magnets are come into the exist in the form of either the lodestone or magnetite, and in artificial form they can be formed as different shapes and size. As example, the U shape, rod shape, bar, U shape, bar magnet, circular magnet, different form of magnet. And natural magnets are what? The naturally occurring magnet is known as natural magnet. The natural occurring magnet is called as natural magnet, and the natural are made by the human being or called as a man-made or artificial magnet. Example of these natural magnets are these are magnetite, lodestone. This could be termed as magnetite or lodestone. They have powerful magnetic behavior, or they have magnetic power. Artificial magnet are man-made magnet manufactured by the man. So what is the artificial magnet? Artificial magnet are those type of magnet that are manufactured by the man, or that can be manufactured by the human being. They are called as a artificial magnet. They may be present in the form of U shape, V shape, Y shape, and different forms. Dumbbell shaped, cylindrical shape, ring shape, dumbbell, ring, cylindrical, different form they are maybe manufactured. Next, properties of the magnet. Properties of the magnets are first, poles of a magnet. Poles of a magnet. There are the two poles in the magnet. What are these two poles? The south pole and north pole. They are always found in the geographical opposition of poles. These are the two poles. That one is north, this one is south. The two poles are there in a magnet. Always two poles are there, the south poles and north poles. The end of a magnet where the attraction is maximum. Of these two poles, the attraction are maximum, and this one is called as the poles of the magnet. Here the next one is magnetic pole always come in pair. They always come in pair. The magnet are always come in pair because they have the two. They are always exist in nature as a pair. Why? Because there is a two poles are present. That is south poles and north poles. So in this way, these are always come into the pair. Directive properties of a magnet. Third one is directive property of a magnet. What is the directive property of the magnet? The directive property of the magnets are, this can be very helpful for the detecting or searching the direction as well. Why? In the most of the sailors, navigator and others, they can be formed or direct to their path while roaring here and there. In case of sailors or navigator, they use for the finding the directions. So why? Because when the magnet tie up and hanging free in the air, they could always be in the south and north direction as well, the opposite direction of the geographical earth poles. So they can be easily to found in that cases the of direction of uh, any directions. That means this one is helpful for the searching the directions, that is south, east, west, north. That's all about the topic. We will discuss later on to the next one.